Hi, my name is Elizabeth Clarke. I'd like to talk to you today on the advantages of wearing protective motorcycle riding gear. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, in 2008, motorcycle crashes killed 5,290 people. However, helmets are estimated to prevent 37% of fatal motorcycle injuries for riders and 41% of fatal injuries for passengers. I would like to show you that wearing the right kind of gear can prevent injuries and save lives. I have been riding motorcycles for several years, and I strongly believe wearing protective gear is the smart thing to do. I know you all have seen people riding in various kinds of clothing. I know you will agree that wearing protective clothing is the safe way to ride a motorcycle. I would like to give you some information about studies on safely considering proper equipment and the injuries that can happen while riding. Also, I would like to tell you about a personal experience that I've had with a friend. I would also like to explain to you the advantages of wearing safe gear by giving you some examples of gear. First, I would like to tell you why I'm so concerned with motorcycle safety. According to the bikerhighway.com, the clothing we choose to wear during riding is the only thing between our skin and the road. It is incredibly important that we wear the right kind of clothing in modern armor. It cites a study done in Germany. It found that motorcyclists wearing protective gear could expect a reduction in injuries of 30% or more. A 30% reduction in injuries is important when you consider a simple slide down the pavement will result in a third-degree burn. Blue jeans and t-shirts do not offer much protection in this type of accident and are quickly destroyed, leaving your skin to be padding. Another major problem for motorcyclists is a lack of visibility. Proper headgear is hard for other visible motorists to see if they're wearing dark clothing, especially at nighttime. You need reflective gear. Motorcyclists is 3 times more likely to have a head injury when not wearing a helmet. That's why I believe it should have helmet laws in every state. I have a friend named Derek who had been riding for several years. He knew all about proper motorcycle equipment. He owned everything. He was out riding in North Carolina. He was from Nashville. He's a little unfamiliar with the area. That day he chose not to wear his jacket but wear his helmet and ended up wrecking, and as a result of not wearing his jacket, he ended up in the hospital with several back, arm, hand, wrist, and injuries all over the front of his body and back of his body. If he had worn his jacket, he would have suffered a lot less injuries and a lot less hospital bills. And he'll tell you today that his helmet saved his life, as you can tell from the helmet. And there's the bike. Now I would like to give you some basic facts on safety equipment. According to the Governor's Highway Safety Association, 32 states have laws that require seatbelts to be worn while driving cars. However, to ensure Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, only 19 states have laws that require all motorcycle riders to wear helmets. You can be a part of the solution by wearing safe equipment. According to how to be safe on a motorcycle to make a rider more visual, a rider should wear bright reflective gear, as I said earlier. According to Motorcycle Gear for Staying Safe, the head, the arms, and the legs are most often injured in a crash. Like I was saying with Derek here. No jacket, arms, wrists, hands, shoulders, injured. I ride in a very protective jacket. Mine has shields all on the arms, shields in the back, and they can't be removed. It has a liner on the inside for winter and summer to make it warmer. My liner's actually out right now because it's summertime and I'm riding and it's hot. I wear gloves to protect my hands. These are textile gloves, and this is my helmet. It's an airframe helmet. Even though none of us want to be in a motorcycle crash, I hope I've shown you the advantage of wearing protective gear. No one wants to end up on the negative side of the statistics. Even though laws can be lax about motorcycle safety, you can be proactive with your own safety. Thank you.